In this review, we will be discussing in details about the Canon EPI Mini photo printer available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need Canon EPI Mini photo printer, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Printer Ever present Epson ET16650 printer review. Let's get started. Flagship of the new EcoTank Pro brand of small business and work group inkjet printers, Epson's EcoTank Pro ET16650 is a feature-rich wide format all-in-one capable of printing pages up to super tabloid size 13 by 19 inches as well as scanning and copying standard tabloid size 11 by 17 inches. As one of the company's bulk ink EcoPank AIOs, it prints color pages at an exceptionally low cost per page. Like the competing wide format Brother MFC Z6 945DW Inkvestment and HP PageWide Pro 750DW. Editor choice models both the ET16650 prints well and at a reasonable cheap, and Epson is throwing in all you can eat ink for the first 2 years that you own this or another EcoTank Pro machine. This incredible value its relatively high volume and capacity ratings and its strong feature set are more than enough to earn the ET16650 our editor's choice, not for a medium volume wide format all-in-one for small to modest offices and workgroups. Pros: 2 years of unlimited ink, excellent print quality, very low running cost, auto-duplexing ATF, thousands of pages worth of ink in the box, 2-year warranty with registration, excellent mobile connectivity options. As mentioned, the ET16650 is the top-tier model in Epson's latest EcoTank Pro line of business-oriented machines. The brand currently includes 2 wide format AIOs, this one and the ET16600, as well as 3 letter size machines, all with gradually increasing feature sets and capacities, with pricing from $799 up. We will look at them in turn in the coming weeks. Meanwhile, the ET16650 measures 13.8 by 20.3 by 19.7 inches and weighs about 46.1 pounds, which among several of its wide format competitors is light and compact, especially considering that most of them don't support the super tabloid page size. Brothers formidable MFC J6945DW prints, scans, copies, and faxes 11 by 17-inch pages, for instance, is slightly taller and longer and outweighs the Epson by about 7 pounds. And yet another Epson PC Mag wide format favorite, the Workforce Pro WFC869083 Color MFP with PCL PostScript, which also supports super bold size media spirals out in all directions by several inches more than today's EcoTank model. It also weighs more than twice as much.